Let's look at collinear and coplanar. These are both vocabulary words, meaning collinear is a line, so linear is line, and if something is collinear, it means they're on the same line. And a plane is like a flat surface, or two-dimensional flat surface, and that means they are all on that same plane. So first, I'm going to start by showing you how to draw a picture, because in geometry, inevitably, you are going to need to know how to draw some of these figures to indicate what you're doing. So I'm going to draw a plane and a line that is cutting through the plane, and then we're going to talk about collinear and coplanar. So check this out. This is my little trick. So I'm not an artist by any means, but in math, I've learned some little tricks. When I want to draw something that looks like it's three-dimensional, instead of drawing a rectangle, I draw a parallelogram. And then I'm going to draw a line that looks like it's coming right through it. I'm going to stop right in the center, draw a little point, and then I'm going to draw a dashed line that comes through my plane with some arrows. And voila, I have now created a three-dimensional plane with a line coming through it. It's magic. I promise. I do not fancy myself as an artist in any way. So let me just put a few little marks in here for us. I'm going to also add in a, let's see, I'm going to put an A here. And I'm going to make this little center point a B. And I'm going to put another point down here as C. And then I'm also just going to have, let's do a D over here. And then I also want to extend a line coming right through this area. Oh boy. Oh wow. See, not an artist. Okay, not even close. Okay, so if I extend some of these lines here, we want to talk about how to apply collinear and coplanar. So if I were to say are points A and E collinear, the answer would be no, because A is on this vertical line and E is on this horizontal line. So A and E are not collinear. A and C are collinear. So we could say points A and C are collinear. And that's how we would identify that vocabulary word, collinear, meaning on the same line. But points A and E are not, okay, so they are not on the same line. They don't share a line. If we want to ask if something is coplanar, coplanar would mean they have to be on the same plane. So things that would be on the same plane would be A, B, and D. That all is okay if I made D a point right here. If I said A and B and E, they are not coplanar because all three of them do not share space on the same plane. So that's going to be the difference there with the vocabulary. I'm trying to think if there's something else I want to say. So how'd that go? Did that make any sense? Hopefully you had a moment of clarity where you went, oh, that's it. That's always my goal. So check out my other math videos and hopefully you'll have more aha moments throughout all those as well. Don't forget to tell your friends too.